How orders are plotted on an order flow chart? All aggressive buy orders are plotted on the right side and aggressive sell orders are plotted on the left side. All right. So what I am saying, an order or executed order, this has two sides, buy and sell. If buy order was the market order, it will become aggressive, and on a price ladder, this will be plotted on the right side. But if the sell order was market, this will become aggressive and it will be plotted on the left side. All right. And an aggressive order is decided based on which side, that is, whether the buy or the sell side was placed as a market order. So when I say that an aggressive buy order is placed, what do we understand that? In that case, the sell side was a limit order. All right. So when I'm plotting an aggressive buy order on the right side, can I also say that this can also be looked at as a limit sell order? And when I say an aggressive sell order is placed on the left side, this can also be looked at as a limit buy order. Do you understand this? Please type in a yes if you do. Now we come to the point where we will try to understand how two market orders are matched. All right. What is visible on the chart right now? We can see that the best offer price is 102. So the lowest a seller can come is 102. It is not willing to go below that. The highest a buyer can come is 100. So buyers don't want to pay more than 100. Now there are two traders in the market, okay, who both are eager, okay, to buy, and the other trader is eager to sell. All right. Now they come in, they put in a market order. All right. So a market sell order is placed and a market buy order is placed. All right. What can happen? Market sell order will be executed at 100 and market buy order will be executed at 102. All right. But these two were matched against the limit orders. Now we want to understand how two market orders will be matched. Now what we saw, that if now two traders come to the market and they sell and buy at 101, what will happen? A buyer comes in with an order at 101, a seller comes in with order at 101, the both prices match and we get a trade at 101. Make sense? This will not be disturbed, this will not be disturbed, but we will get a trade that is executed. That is how two market orders can match each other. All right. Now there is an obvious 2 point difference between this 100 and 102. But when you are trading, when you are trading liquid instruments, the difference is much lower. All right. A few ticks sometimes. And within that tick, whenever you both buyers and sellers, they put in a market order, instead of getting executed at best bid or best offer, they sometimes get executed in between. That is how two market orders can get executed against each other. But how will you decide which one of them is aggressive order? Both are market orders. We saw that order flow software will only check whether it is a market order or not. So how will you decide which one is aggressive? That is where the exchange will help us. And what the exchange will do, like if two market orders were executed against each other, they will try to find out which one was placed earlier. So this is in milliseconds, all right? Like this is not even in seconds. This is in milliseconds, all right? So within that fraction of a second, 10 lots of buy orders and 10 lots of sell orders, both at market, come into the exchange. Okay. They get executed against each other. But the timestamp while placing the order, this order has 12.01.05. This has 12.01.07. So the one that is placed earlier will be considered as the aggressive order. So here in this scenario, the buy market order will be considered aggressive. And on an order flow chart, this order, when the exchange sends the data, it will say that for this order, this traded quantity, it was traded at buy market order. And where will it be plotted? On the right side of the ladder, because the buy market order was placed a few milliseconds before the sell market order. Does this make sense to you so far? Okay, good. Let us move on. So there are some order matching myths, okay, that we need to address before we can move forward. The first is that aggressive orders drive the market all the time. That is not true. People feel, or to make order flow charts simple, many people believe that just because an order is aggressive, it is likely to control the market. But that is not the truth. Not all aggressive sellers are smart traders. So sometimes aggressive orders fail to control the market and we get the opposite price action. So if don't believe that only aggressive orders will control the market all the time. Smart traders or professionals traders will execute their orders at market only. This is another myth. Many people believe that smart traders will only place market orders. Absolutely not true. They trade with both market as well as limit orders. Then another myth is limit orders are used by retail traders. We all are retail traders. Do you always trade at limit? Most of the times I am placing market orders. So that again is a wrong, you know, uh, thinking process. Limit orders is used equally by the smart traders. All right. And to a very good effect. We will see the examples and you will understand later that why they use limit orders much better than what we do. All right. Stop loss orders are not aggressive orders. People feel that when your stop loss is getting hit, you are proven wrong. But that does not mean that your order, when your stop loss is hit, it is going into the exchange. It is not going in as aggressive order. In fact, when you are putting a stop loss market order, that order is executed at market and by the exchange and the order flow software, it is considered as an aggressive order. So you need to understand this point very, very well. Just because it is a stop loss order does not mean that it is not aggressive. It can be aggressive. Aggressive orders are from smart money. Again, just a corollary of what we said earlier. Aggressive order does not have to come from smart money all the time. Even a single one lot stop loss order, when it is executed at market, it is counted as an aggressive order. So aggressive order does not always have to come from smart traders. All right. Now, before we move on to the second set of order flow basics, let us go to the chart and look at how what we studied so far is plotted on the charts. All right. Now I will ask you a few questions and you answer me. All right. Okay, I hope you can see my chart and read the numbers. All right. Now you tell me, my question is, I have this 201 plotted on the right side. I want you to answer the question, what is this order? Is this aggressive buy, aggressive sell? What is this order? Aggressive buy order? Great. Now tell me, when this aggressive buy order was being executed, how many lots were sold here? Perfect. 201. And what was the order type for those 201 lots? Perfect. Passive selling or limit selling? Now, few people are saying market. Well, if this was a market sell order, it would become an aggressive sell order and it would be plotted on the left side. But it can be market order, but then the timing of this market order will be after this aggressive buy order. All right. Now, let us go to some other point. This 442, do you agree that this is an aggressive sell order? Yes. Do you also agree that 442 lots were bought at this point, but the order was a limit buy order? Perfect. Great. Now, let me find a example. Yes, here it is. Now, we are looking at this box. Now, I have 0 on the left side and 531 on the right side. I want you to tell me how many limit sell orders or lots were traded at this price. 531. Great. How many market buy orders were placed at this price? 531. How many market sell orders were placed at this point? 0. Great. And how many limit buy orders? Again 0. So I think now you have understood. Now my question is, forget about this. You got this right. Okay. Now let us come to another cell. Okay. Let us talk about this. I want to know what is the total number of lots traded at this price. 572. Perfect. Now, if I asked you about the breakup of how many limit buy, limit sell, market sell order, I think you will get the answers right. You have understood the point. Makes sense. Now, in the morning, someone asked me, maybe not today, yesterday, maybe, that how can I say that there were 2381 limit sell orders, whereas it is plotted on the right side of the ladder. Now, do you understand the difference? This is going to be a limit sell order because since it is plotted on the right side, it is actually a aggressive buy or a market buy order. So it will be matched against limit sell or passive sell orders. So limit or passive sell orders will show on the right side along with aggressive buy or market buy orders and vice versa. Does this make sense to you now?